Is it still worth it to study mechanical engineering in the year 2026? If you are still thinking like what kind of engineering that you want to take, so this video might be for you, where I will share some of the tips as an engineer in project and design for 6 years, and also myself study mechanical engineering. So I hope this video can help you, and do not forget to subscribe for more content like this. If you are already joining the industries, if you want to switch careers after working for a few years, so what can you do? So what's the future prospect of mechanical engineers? So the first thing is that the career prospect for mechanical engineers is quite wide. In fact, you see the job scopes and also the type of industry you can join as a mechanical engineer, it's quite a lot. Like for example, it can be a process engineer, project engineer, design engineer, aerospace engineer, and many types of engineer, depending on what kind of sectors. Job opportunity is still aplenty, and 2026, people are talking about AI and also machine learning. Mechanical engineering is still one of the oldest field. Even if you enjoy like some sectors like oil and gas and all these kind of sectors, all requires mechanical engineers. In fact, it's very versatile. If you are deciding to become a mechanical engineer, I think it's a good choice for you. People are saying that the career progression is slow and the pay is not high, but I would say it depends on the experience and also the type of companies that you're joining. So make sure to join the right company that offer you a better salary if you have certain competencies. So the first thing I want to share is make sure you choose the right field or the fields that you want to join. I think this is very important. As a fresh grad or mechanical engineering fresh grads, after coming from university, it's very important to pick the field. Like for example, you like design, please focus on design. If you like project, you can go for projects. Because if you have been working for that industry or that field or that niche for like 5 or 6 years, right? So you will gain certain competency. And becoming an engineer, right, it's not like a shortcut where you might take a few years or 4 to 5 years in order for you to understand how it works. So it's not to say I want to learn 2 months, then I can become an expert in that field. So that's why it's very important to take a 4 or 5 years and also pick the right field if possible. The second tip is that what if you decided to switch field? Let's say you are joining project engineering, you feel like it's hard and it's not for me, I hate project. So definitely can change. But the thing is that before changing, right, you have to think about the career progression, because when you want to change from project design, some company might consider your former experience as project engineer. Meanwhile, some companies, right, they will see you don't have any experience in design. So this might be the thing or the trade-off they have to take if you decided to jump to different careers or different field. That's why the first job is very important. If you have been in design for many years, right? So please focus on design. So if you want to jump, it's okay. Maybe project is not for you, so you want to go for design. And you can learn to become a design engineer. But do know that it might also take a few years for you to grow to become a senior, depending on yourself and also your company as well, whether they give you training and so on. So you must have a right mindset, and the important thing is choose the field properly or that actually suits your interests. So what is the future of mechanical engineers? I would say mechanical engineers will still be the same, but with the rise of AI, many things will be embedded with AI and also machine learning. So all these things will be coming together with mechanical engineer. So if you want to be a good mechanical engineer, not only you must know how to learn softwares like AutoCAD and SolidWorks, you also need to learn AI as well in order to make you more productive. So what is the future of mechanical engineering? So I would say it's still very bright because it's one of the oldest fields. In fact, the demand is quite high. And whether it comes to the pay and also the future prospect, it all depends on the company that you're joining and also the competency they acquire from the company and also from the career. So that's important. Focus on skills and make yourself valuable so that one day you'll jump to other companies, you'll get much better pay and of course much better career progression. I would say it's still worth it to become mechanical engineers in the year 2026 if you are still thinking about becoming mechanical engineers. And yeah, go ahead. And also there are quite a lot of prospects and it might be very interesting to study engineering as well, especially mechanical engineering, where you requires a lot of mathematics when it comes to doing mechanical engineering. So all the best to you for those who want to take up mechanical engineering. That's all for the video today, and it's a very short video talking about what I think about mechanical engineering and the future of engineering. So please leave a comment down below as well, and do not forget to subscribe for more content like this if you like the content about tips, engineering, AI, and business. And see you in the coming videos. Bye bye.